Hello everyone, I hope everything is going well for you today. Today I'm just going to show you a few updates in the garden. Stay tuned as I show them to you. So the only few plants that I recommend you guys water twice a day, especially if you're going to grow it in grow bags, is tomatoes. Look at how my tomato plants are now. It's almost my height. I'm 5'5". Well, the indeterminate one is actually almost my height. Actually, the determinate one is below my chest area. So tomatoes, cucumber, and potatoes. Potatoes, cucumbers, and tomatoes, and collard greens. What else? Anything I'm missing? Yeah, those few plants that I recommend you watering twice a day, before the sun comes up too much, before 10 a.m. and after 6 p.m. twice a day. My echinacea is have 3 flowers now just open up, and my bitter melon is getting taller. My peas, they're starting to sprout. The seeds are starting to sprout. Actually, they came up like I noticed them like 2 days ago, so they sprout very quickly actually since I sowed them. I noticed my bell pepper plant is starting to have baby fruits. There's another two right there. They have baby fruits, and that's what the turmeric plant looked like after I transplanted. Guess what? Actually start to get bigger, the leaves. The pepper plant that I said I'm not gonna give up on it, and I put more holes inside it, and now I see a little baby leaves coming. So yeah, the plants, they don't like it when it's overwatered too much and it doesn't get enough drainage and stuff like that. So that's why it was struggling. I kind of figured that was the reason why it wasn't growing so good. The leaf fell off, and then I said, oh, it's dead, and I was going to remove it from the pot and put something else. Then I noticed the other day that this little leaves here, it was starting to grow. So I said, okay, it wants to survive, so I'm going to help it. And I put more soil at the top, and I put more holes, and the leaves is getting bigger and it's producing another baby leaves. I'm thinking about doing that also for this one here. The same issue, it needs more holes in the container, and I need to put more soil. I am planning on letting my shallots flower and seed, and see if I can start save my own seed from it and replant it and see if that will work, because they taste really good. They're related to the onion family, but it has a little bit different taste that is really good. So that's what I'm planning on doing. I noticed one of my eggplant has a fruit on it. I don't know which one. I have like 6 eggplant. Oh, this one here. See? The baby fruits is coming right there. Well, everyone, it was nice hanging with you. Please subscribe and like my videos. I talk to you guys another day. Bye.